So, before we get started with the 125D competition, something that we've never had to do before, we've already done 2 live draws for the Yeti competition that we did, I think it was a couple of months ago, something like that. So, the first winner of the Yeti competition was from the Netherlands. He was unable to import it to the Netherlands. So we redrew the competition. The second winner was from Greece, who has spent the last several weeks trying his best to import into Greece, but the taxes and everything to get it over there were just going to be too high for the value of the car. So we're having to redraw it, but because of the issues we've had with the first 2 draws, what we've decided to do is we're going to refund everybody outside of the UK for the Yeti competition, and we're going to redraw a new winner live now before we do the BMW. So there's probably not many viewers watching this that are expecting to win the Yeti, but before we do the BMW draw, we're going to do the 3rd live draw for the Yeti. So, right, let's crack on with that one. We've got minimum 1, maximum 444. And the 3rd and hopefully final winner for the Yeti competition is unique number 339. Lewis Farmer. Well, this one's ringing. That's a bonus.
Hello?
Are you right? Is that Lewis?
Yeah.
You alright, mate? It's Danny calling from Darkside Developments.
Oh, hello.
You alright?
Yes, very good.
Yeah, try not to swear because you are live on our YouTube at the minute, but
Okay.
obviously a few weeks ago or a couple of months ago you entered the Yeti competition.
I did indeed.
We've just done another live draw and you're the 3rd winner basically.
Ah, amazing, yeah.
So you probably weren't expecting that, were you?
No, not at all. I saw like the first guy win, I was like, oh, that's a shame. And
Yeah.
then didn't think much of it.
Yeah, so the second guy was actually from Greece,
Okay.
and we've been speaking to him over the last several weeks, and he's to be fair, he's been trying his best to get it over there, but just like the import costs and taxes and stuff like that, to get it there was just going to be too high for the value of the car. So
Makes sense.
yeah, he's obviously unable to claim it. So we've just done the live draw for the 125D competition, and just before we did the draw for that, we've just redone the Yeti competition. So congratulations, you are the winner.
Well happy.
So let me have a look. I'm not sure. So he's from Surrey. It's quite a while away,
Yeah.
but at least it's in the UK.
Yeah, it's not too far.
No. Well, what I'll do, obviously, we're not going to find details on the live video. I'll give you a call back later today and we'll arrange, obviously, a date when you can come up and collect it.
Amazing, sounds good to me.
Yeah?
Sounds really good.
Spot on. Right, well, I'll speak to you soon then, Lewis.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks, mate.
Bye.
Cheers, bye-bye. One happy winner.
Right then, we've got Lewis here. Finally managed to give away the Yeti, 3rd time lucky, so that's the key.
Thank you.
And we'll have a walk round now and see how disappointed he is when he sees the state of it. Don't look too bad from 30 yards away.
Yeah, it looks nice from back here.
Saying that, given condition of his Amarok, this is probably not too bad. We'll have a look at his Amarok later.
That's cool.
There you go.
Yeah, I like it. Something different.
Are you planning to come to Parkwood?
Yeah, I think I'm going to come up with the Amarok and the Yeti as well.
So hopefully we'll see it getting abused again at Parkwood on 10th of October.
Definitely will. Definitely.
There she is.
That's
Full
cool,
leather
isn't it?
interior. It's not cleaned up too bad, to be fair.
No.
So
It's cleaner than the Amarok, definitely.
yeah. But at this point we'd usually do a test drive, but because we've sort of raffled this one off as not road legal, we can't really do that.
It's hard to imagine what it looks like in like pictures and the videos.
Yeah.
But in like real life, it's not actually that bad, is it?
No, it's it has had a little bit of an hard life.
Yeah, but that's what it is, isn't
it's
it?
cleaned up all right. Yeah.
It's used and abused.
If you're happy to trailer it places, it'll be good.
Yeah, literally, like,
Good just to smash about in.
smash about, chuck it back in the trailer and not worry about it.
Yeah. You could make it road legal easy enough if you wanted to.
Yeah.
It's just, obviously,
A few extra things on it.
with the amount of stuff we've done,
Yeah.
I prefer not to. Cool.
It's not a bad win for a tenner, is it?
No.
At the end of the day.
So you've got itch receivers front and rear.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've got any itch mounting points.
Okay.
We've got some, just for recovering
Yeah,
stuff.
like the little 2-inch ones.
Yeah. You can get a couple of them in it just in case you get stuck, but I don't think we ever needed them. So.
That's not bad. Throw out other people instead.
Yeah. I don't know. In fact, when we went to Wales with George,
Yeah.
I tried pulling his Amarok out and it felt like I hit a brick wall in it.
Yeah,
It
I'm
just
not
stopped
surprised.
dead.
That thing's
Yeah,
heavy.
He was bogged.
That
and I
thing
thought
is heavy.
we didn't have the kinetic rope either. It was just like a normal rope, and I set off and it just stopped dead.
You'll be glad to see the back of it.
Well, it has been taking up a parking spot
Yeah.
for a few months now, but
That's what Danny was saying when he rung me. He's like,
Yeah.
yeah, it's just been sitting in the corner.
we've got that other Amarok that we need
Yeah,
to
I like
move
the look of
forward.
that.
Going
Definitely.
to Wales in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
It's got to be ready for then. It's got no back on it, no nothing. So we've got a lot of work to do.
Nice, nice.
While we're here, I think we'll just have a quick look at
Yeah.
yours on dyno. Right, so a couple of you might recognise this Amarok from one of our previous videos when we went to Wales with George from Grit Outdoors. Lewis actually bought this from George, so he's managed to tie a few things in together here. We're quite happy that Lewis has won it, because obviously he's an enthusiast and he's going to use the Yeti for what it's intended to. And then obviously while he's up here, picking the Yeti up, we're actually tuning the Amarok for him. Previously I had a generic file on it, and looking at the dyno graph now, we're probably going to get around 10 more horsepower and around 20 foot-pound more torque from it, so it's a win-win situation for everybody really. I'll let Lewis talk through a couple of modifications that it's got.
So it's got a 2-inch Iron Man suspension back and front with 300 kg springs on the rear. Just a front runner rack, light bar, a few of the boxes, a Bush Tech canopy on the rear with all the little bits inside. Looks like really good. And then just a standard like winch rival bumper, a nice little snorkel.
Have you got this?
I've actually got it plumbed in now.
Yeah, because I remember George had not got this
George
plumbed in
didn't do it.
properly. So
Yeah, I got it plumbed in straight halfway.
nice, and obviously you can tell looking at it, he uses it for what it's intended for. It's not a show queen. So
Yeah, it gets used and abused. And hopefully I'll do the same with the Yeti.
good,
Drive it like it should be.
sweet. Well, we'll get Yeti loaded up into the trailer. Let Stylianos finish tuning it, and then hopefully we can get you on your way.
Yeah, get back
Sweet.
down.
Cool. Right, so we've just finished tuning Lewis's Amarok. That's good to go. We've got him another sort of 30 foot-pound and about 15 horsepower from the tune it had previously. We're going to get his trailer loaded up now and send him on his way. So hopefully we'll see you again in a month or two.
Yes, we'll see how the pay and play.
Yeah,
It'll be
cool.
good.
Cheers.
Amazing. Thank you very
Thanks a
much.
lot. There you go.
It's good.